Pinguin at Langemarck in Belgium is one of the largest frozen vegetable manufacturers in Europe. They export their products worldwide. They used to have about 150 tons of plastic waste each year, and it was deposited in containers, creating enormous transport costs. A Mil-tek Model 306E stainless steel machine was installed. Stainless steel because that was what was required in the food industry. Pinguin are now selling the bale plastic to the recycling industry, and they have saved 6 out of 7 container loads. There are less labour costs, there's a better logistical flow, and it's more hygienic. They make about 15 bales a week. And today, many other frozen vegetable companies are equipped with Mil-tek stainless steel balers.